Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by confirming basics fast. Charge above 30% and back up critical files so you can proceed without fear. Once done, power off the phone and remove any SIM or SD card, then reinsert to rule out a hardware boot trigger. Make sure you recognize this is a Lava Z61P so you follow the right menu names. Now power on and watch whether the boot process stops in safe mode. This determines the next steps to fix it. You now try standard exits. First, check the notification shade. Some launches show a safe mode toggle. Tap it to attempt an immediate exit. If not present, perform a normal restart by long pressing power and selecting restart, or power off completely and wait 10 seconds before powering on. If safe mode persists, boot into recovery with power plus volume up or down, then choose wipe cache partition. This clears temporary system data without erasing apps. And finish by removing recent apps that may force safe mode. You can do this from Settings Apps, then restart to test. If that fails, make sure you back up, then perform a factory reset. Settings, System, Reset, erase all data. This removes persistent software causes. If the phone still boots into safe mode, suspect a stuck volume key or deeper hardware problem. Make sure to test buttons and then consult a certified repair center. One troubleshooting tip: toggle safe mode after each change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.